I'm not saying there will be. I want to be clear. I'm not accusing anyone of delays. I'm saying it won't come from the majority kasi nag-meeting kami kagabi. We are happy with the former rules. Kung ano yung good na rules kay sa mga dating na-impeach, good din sa amin ngayon. So, kaya lang, hindi ko matatanggal yung karapatan ng bawat senador na tumayo. Ang problema, madidelay kung babaguhin pa yung rules kasi ipapublish pa ulit yon. But from the majority, that's why sa letter, I just wanted to be safe. Sinabi ko doon on Monday or the soonest time or fourth week. No? If everyone agrees on the rule, I do not see any reason why hindi kami makapag-convene sa Monday. So ano mangyayari pag nag-convene? And then may motion to convene. Ako muna mag-oath as presiding officer of the impeachment court and then yung 23 na senador. After that, our job is to issue the summons. Okay? And then from that time on, pag sumagot na, di ba, aandar na yung process. I'll brief you more about the process later on. And probably, kung hindi Monday mismo or Tuesday, we will have a focus para yung calendar. So the biggest issue for me is the balancing between the legislative work given the mga crisis na humaharap. Kung maganda takbo na ekonomiya and we don't need any urgent legislation, pwedeng mag 90-95% sa impeachment court. Unless nga sabi ng mga senador, pwede pa rin, bilisan na lang. But you know, madaling yung sarili mo lang inasahan mo. Halimbawa, Alan, bilisan mo sa pagpunta ng Senate. Alan, bilisan mo yung sulat. That's under my control more or less, di ba? But when you say it's a trial, you cannot stop both sides from presenting the number of witnesses na gusto nilang sabihin. So, madaling sabihin bilisan at madaling sabihin it will finish by this month or that month. But all of those will be approximation.
So, sabi pa po convene po as impeachment court, yun talaga fourth week. Pero how about the trial proper?
When is the latest trial going to happen?
Once you convene and issue the summons, the direction yun.
Pero yung trial proper is
yung fourth yung trial proper po ay after all the procedures.
Susundin mo lang yung number of days. So walang delay yun. Kung ano na sa rules, kung ano na constitution.
Sir,
the trial proper maybe in June, sir, the trial proper? July?
I don't want to preempt the calendar. But if it's 15 days, so we will follow. Actually, what we're doing now, after the meeting, then seeing you, we're gonna make a draft calendar. So the calendar will not be based on anything that is discretionary. It will be based on objectivity. So kung nakalagay sa rules, ganitong number of days para sumagot, this number of days sumagot, then trial na kaagad.
So kung ngayon ang sagot, SP, doon sa sinabi na yung pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado ay parang ma-block yung impeachment trial.
Again, I'm trying to get a united Senate. Unprecedented yung attack against the Senate. First, nung Monday na hinabol sa loob sa loob ng Senate ang isang senador, ginulpe ang isang member ng USAA, and then last night, the armed attack on the Senate, unprecedented yan. Diba? So, I'm trying to unite the Senate. The senators are people by just simply following the law. The Constitution, our rules, and what is right. Diba? So sabi ko naman sa inyo lahat, dalawa lang libro ko, yung Bible, yung Constitution. Everything else follows. Even the Constitution for me has to follow the Bible. Diba? Having said that, we will follow. So walang magiging delays. I can tell you anything now, as you asked, diba, kailan yung trial. So if I have the trial July, August, then dinilays mo.
Offhand lang SP, for you, yung trial po ba ay dapat araw-araw, Monday to Friday, or MWF? Offhand for you, what will you suggest?
Offhand, either Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday. Definitely hanggang the Friday because you need a motion day. Diba? So, and the question for me, the bigger question to me, is it Monday to Wednesday whole day?
Okay.
And then Thursday may committee hearings, or is it Monday to Thursday